Hello, Penny. How you doing? Still nighttime this night. She's like a fox, a little Yorkshire Terrier. Nose butt. Look to the camera. So cute. Just so small. Look at my arm compared, like this is my hand compared to her. Hey. So this is the vlog, but my dog. Yeah, this is probably gonna be about a minute and a half. Seriously, again, Penny, why do you have a scratch? Scratching yourself. It's going really dark at sometimes, I don't know why. Yeah. It's not that exciting to see. So, there's my dog. Bye. There's my dog saying, have a good time, guys. Check out all the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next time.